Hi friends, are you looking for unbiased myvra.com reviews? If yes, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video as through this video I will help you to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. Also, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that MyBra offers wide range of women wear dresses such as colorful kurtis, cotton kurtis, combo dresses, designer gowns, heavy party wear dresses and so forth. And guys, the most attractive part here is the prices of the dresses, which seems too good to be true. Now, before proceeding further, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time I upload some informative videos. Now, let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that many payment options are available such as Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Discover, RuPay, Net Banking and cash on delivery. Friends, now let's check the delivery and shipping policy. So here we can see that the estimated shipping time is directly stated. Here they have stated that orders will be processed and shipped within 1 to 2 business days of ordering. While guys, here we can see that shipping charges are not specified. Now let's have a look on return refund policies. So here we can see that their return policy lasts for 15 days, and guys, here we can see that crucial information related to refund is not specified. Also, neither they have specified who would be responsible for the shipping charges of the returned products. Apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so again here we can see that no information related to cancellation is provided by the officials on the website. So now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, myvra.com uses HTTPS connection and have SSL certification. Therefore, the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But guys, HTTPS connection alone is not sufficient to consider a website as legit. Therefore, let's check the registration details. So guys, the domain name of myvra.com was registered on 29th June 2021. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new and is not much popular among the people. Also guys, a shopping website created less than 4 months ago is too new and potentially suspicious. Therefore, now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here in the official page we can see that only an email ID is provided, which is info@myvra.com. So here we can see that details such as company's address, its contact number is not provided. And in addition to this guys, myvra.com lacks presence on social media platforms also. Now let's talk on myvra reviews. Because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor to identify the legitimacy of any website. So here in the official website we can see that there is no section for customers feedback, and as I said, it was registered just a couple of days back, so over the internet I could not find even a single customer review regarding the quality of the items offered. Also, the trust index of the website is just 1%, which is extremely poor, and again it's a negative highlight. In addition to this, myvra is ranked 0 among millions of other websites according to Alexa traffic rank. And talking about the content quality of the website, so guys, it was found that the images of the products and the content used over the website is duplicate as it matches with many other scam websites. So guys, loopholes such as incomplete contact details, lack of customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot, low Alexa rank, copied content and duplicate images of the products makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website or wait for a while till it gains popularity and positive feedbacks from customers, because there is a high risk of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about myvra.com reviews. And apart from this, friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below, because after all, we are here to spread the awareness about scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. Also, guys, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye, guys. Stay safe, stay informed.